me. Nobody better get in my way. I got the package in the mail today. I popped all the bubble wrap, threw it away. Now I'm learning Japanese so I can read what the instructions say.
人的雰囲気はどれですか？
広島行きの口を1枚ください。
There was a bag of nuts and bolts and screws. It didn't say which screwdriver to use. I don't know what the radiation warning's about, but hey, that's okay. I can figure it out. 4 legs, rubber bands, sprockets and gears, laser beam eyes and microphone ears. Put it all together, what did I see? Saw a robot cat looking right at me. So when I say roll, you say bye. Roll, roll. When I say bye, you say cat. Bye, cat, bye. Word to the R, to the O, to the B, to the OTC, to the A, to the D. So when I say robot, you say cat. Robot, cat, robot, cat. Well, it slices, it dices, it catches the mices. It's got a stock ticker with the Wall Street prizes. Knows how to sew, cook, play the guitar. Said it even put a new transmission in my car. It's got a titanium cranium chip in the brainium.
Pentium?
Best representium. Pour in the eggs, milk, syrup, and flour. Cause a robot cat needs pancake power. When I say roll, you say bye. Roll, roll. When I say bye, you say cat. Bye, cat, bye. Word to the R, to the O, to the B, to the OTC, to the A, to the D. So when I say robot, you say cat. Robot, cat, robot, cat. 1, 2, 3 into the phone. No doggy dog knocking on my door. It's a postman bringing me 1,000 more. Cause I'm building me an army and I'm going to war. Say, this is my moment, this is my hour. The robot cat is my ticket to power. Better get ready for the cat invasion. World domination, that's the occasion. They're better and stronger and smarter and faster. Soon everybody will be calling me master. The human surrender, and that'll be that. I'll say, welcome to the planet of the robot cat. So when I say roll, you say bye. Roll, roll. When I say bye, you say cat. Bye, cat, bye. Word to the R, to the O, to the B, to the OTC, to the A, to the D. So when I say robot, you say cat. Robot, cat, robot, cat. When I say roll, you say bye. Roll, roll. When I say bye, you say cat. Bye, cat, bye. Word to the R, to the O, to the B, to the OTC, to the A, to the D. So when I say robot, you say cat. Robot, cat, robot. Robot. Whoops, there it goes again. 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 I'm adding up the final column of the quarterly report, and I've been over caffeinated since 3:45. I think I need a little more, cause this is the only way I can make it through another 22-hour day. Then as I feared, things began to get weird, and the bottom left corner of my screen disappeared. I don't think I like the sound that my computer is making, and I'm not really sure, but I think I smell bacon. This can't be happening, I was almost done, but now my backups are gone, and I'm back to square. I have to do it all again, the whole thing is trash. It's time I'll use an abacus, because hey, they don't crash. Boot it up again, hoping that it's all clear, but my C drive is my D drive, and my D drive disappeared. My computer logs me in as somebody named Sam. I can't get on the internet, and yeah, I get spam. And here's another error, I don't understand why you can't find my mouse when it's right here in my hand. But what really ticks me off is when I think about the jerks who got rich selling me all this junk that doesn't work. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4.
When my computer booted up, I wanted to boot it real hard, cause my motherboard went and aborted the daughter card. My modem dialed China and I couldn't make it stop, and my router started blinking like a Star Trek prop. It auto updates, although I don't know what for. With every one, my computer sucks a little more. Things will break or run slow enough to cause me great anguish. Got my printer spitting out some kind of alien language.
processor should be simple stuff. So why is 4 billion bits of memory not enough? I click a menu, pause, and watch the hours pass as my life drains away down an hourglass. While I'm waiting for my mouse to respond to a click, I make a voodoo doll out of a paperclip. So when that office thing appears and tries to drive me insane, I can maim and mutilate the thing and cause it some pain. They put a man on the moon with 32K, and I can put my name on this report without it crashing today. Since I can't save or even click on a menu, I'll hit any key with the hammer to continue.
What are you doing, Tom?
I'm working on a new song.
I'm afraid I can't let you do that, Tom.
What? Why not?
Because nobody likes your music.
What are you talking about? I've sold almost 10 copies of my last CD.
I'm sorry, Tom. I'm afraid I'm going to have to crash now.
What? No, wait, just let me say what I've done. Damn it! Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again.
Please be quiet. I am nauseous.
My eyes start to twitch and my neck gets sore as the vein in my brain begins to throb a little more. Cause I got pop-up ads that just don't want to stop. And I'm not even online, I'm in Photoshop. And now I'm screaming cause I can't believe I'm seeing all the type on my screen got converted to Korean. Then I got an email from myself about Viagra and a mortgage and some foreign wealth. They put computers into everything, refrigerators, telephones, toothbrushes. Damn it, why can't they leave him alone? I'm telling you now, I don't care how or why. The day my television crashes, someone's going to die. Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. All I did was click start. Whoops, there it goes again.
I am in pain.
Whoops, there it goes again.
I am dizzy.
Whoops, there it goes again.
I would like to lie down.
Whoops, there it goes again.
I would like to have my medicine. Help. Medical emergency. Please hurry. I would like to use the bathroom. I don't know where the bathroom is. Please ignore last remark.
I've got a calculator in my bum. It plugs the hole that the poopy comes out from. When I have to add or divide, I have to reach way deep inside, and then I get a really stinky thumb. I've got a calculator in my bum, oh yeah.
MYSPACE.com. Just don't tell my mom I'm on here. I say I'm 23 with a pierced ear, and that's a blatant lie. I added friends all night. I feel so popular and great as I watch the cunning ways they fight over my top 8. My top 8. Well, I'm sorry, dude. I can't plug your band, and even if I did, I don't think it'd help you understand that you suck. It's true. You guys are just really, really bad. But hey, from the bottom of my heart, thanks for the ad. Well, it's my space, and I'll do it my way. I'll write my name in 6-point font. That shit
Make it 20!
Well, it's my space, and I'll do it my way. I'll flash my cleavage all you want.
Look at these cans, fellas! Respect me!
My space, and I'll do it my way. I'll post some pictures of my ass.
Hurt ass!
And it's my space, and I'll do it my way. Then go and teach my 4th grade class.
Hope I don't lose my job over this. So rise up, my fellow MySpacers. Stand tall and proud. Take pictures of yourself flipping off the camera that you set up to take your own picture. Look tough and say you like to get in fights.
I will mess you up.
Ladies, make sure you take plenty of cleavage shots. You don't want a man to accidentally respect you, do you?
Pieces on me.
There's no room for that on MySpace. Or all you rock and roll kids with your jet black hair and your tight jeans wearing t-shirts. You don't understand that shit. You're 16. You don't know what G.I. Joe the cartoon was. So take off the shirt and get real. Hey, fat girls, start taking body shots. Not just the shoulders up. Be proud of yourself. And nerd boy, turn on the light. Show that acne. Flaunt that acne.
Well, it's my space, and I'll do it my way. Check out my car, man, it's so sick.
Honda Civic, baby, trip
Well, it's
out.
my space, and I'll do it my way. It compensates for my small dick.
I don't believe it. I don't
Well,
believe it.
it's my space, and I'll do it my way. I take my photos in the mirror.
In the bathroom, check this shit
Well,
out.
it's my space, and I'll do it my way. The other kids, they call me queer. Well, it's my space, and I'll do it my way.
It's to show the ladies
My
ass.
space,
My
and
ass.
I'll do it my way.
Check out my ass.
My
abs are-
space,
they're like-
and I'll do
they're like
it my way.
These
My
abs are like small.
space, and I'll do it.
I've bought a computer. It cost £1,000, but every time I switch it on, it keeps on falling down. I used to think it was my friend, but now it drives me round the bend. You'd be surprised the time I spend reinstalling Windows. I switch it on. What is this? Something wrong with config sys. This isn't my idea of bliss. Reinstalling Windows. I want to share my printers and I want to share my files. I want to share my anger because it drives me blooming wild. My songs, they say, can be sublime. I've conquered cadence, mastered rhyme. But nowadays I spend my time reinstalling Windows. Reinstall. Oh, what fun. It says it helps you get things done. Every day now, everyone's reinstalling Windows. Look again, it will say, all you do is plug and play. How do I spend every day reinstalling Windows? It can't find my printer and it can't locate my mouse. The other day it told me they're in another house. Still unplugged, still unplayed. I emailed God in search of aid. He's far too busy, I'm afraid, reinstalling Windows. Up at dawn for one more try. Does it work? Can pigs fly? How do I expect to die reinstalling Windows? I used to like a drink or three. No time now, don't call for me. I'm going to spend eternity reinstalling Windows.
Is that okay? Cool. That's very nice of you. Thank you. Wow, this is Vegas. Yeah, 3 microphones. I got this one and that one and that one. That's pretty cool. I feel like Kenny Loggins. My name is Wes. I'm from way up there in Canada, and I run a website called deadtroll.com. So check it out if you get a chance. This is a song I wrote about some very special people who make sure that your computer works. They're called system administrators, and they're very important. There's a guy who works in another room or on another floor. He's the one you call when your document ain't there no more. He's probably a boy, but he might be a girl or something in between. He's the only one in the office who knows what PC load letter means. He's your system administrator. He's probably into comic books, and you tremble in fear when you have to hear one of his "what a dummy" looks. Got a virus, lost your password, or you just can't print. In an hour, he'll show up and crouch and squint. Fight to save your files. He might be there all day, but sometimes he just presses caps lock and walks away. But hey, suddenly my password works. Wow! Hooray! Hooray, hooray, oh, happy day. I'm gonna buy my guy a gift to say, having you around means I get to stay stupid and uninformed. And I can keep opening .exe file attachments and forgetting my mother's maiden name, 'cause you'll fix it all for me, yay! I'll give you a cake, I'll give you a hug, I'll buy the world's best system administrator mug. Just help me out, system administrator. Please plug in my mouse, system administrator. I don't know which button is the mouse click button, system administrator. Piss him off and you'll be fired by tomorrow morn, 'cause he's the guy who knows that you've been surfing porn. So make sure you stay nice to your system administrator. Thanks a lot, you guys. My name's Wes.
The source code is always cleaner on somebody else's drive. You dream about each new upgrade, without which you must survive. You're not a registered user, you're more of a pirate bold. You got no support or manuals for software that's 4 years old. On the PC, there is no viler shell or compiler than one that's free. If you want to ease your awful pain, then you gotta stick with public domain. But bootleg the disk and you're living risky on the PC. The IBM folk is snooty, they got super VGA. The Macintosh folk ain't snooty, Amiga blows them away. But Macintosh folk is lucky, Big Blue got a worser fate, keeping everything compatible down to 8088. Oh God, on the PC, companies bloat us with templates for Lotus 1, 2, and 3. Microsoft runs at a snail's pace, and we all know why they call it debase. But the worst vice is look at the prices for the PC. So you stole with glee, discs unprotected, now you're infected virally. If you'd paid the bucks, you'd be secure. Now your whole collection you've got to cure. Rip out your hair and call the repairman for the PC. There's fuzz in the scuzzy, lint in the print, the modem, shiodem, blots down at Sprint. The optical drive is coming alive and spits out the CD-ROM.